Hi, my name is JPcrazy, and today we're going to be showing you how to make an infinite loop thing. You might not understand what I'm trying to say, but you'll understand in a minute. Anyways, for this tutorial, it's a bit more complex than the others. A bit more. So, I'm going to assume you know the basics from one of my other tutorials, like, I don't know, Xbox. Anyways, all we're going to do is click on this cube. You'll see what I'm clicking there. You probably already know that if you saw one of the other tutorials. Click on the cube, S, X, S, Y, N, S, 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 Z, to scale, like, make it taller, S, X to make it a bit thinner, S, Y to make it a bit wider. Boom. Now we have this. We're going to click on this first, then we're going to click on that, click on this, click on this, click on that. Now we're in cycles. It basically is the better version of the working mode. Anyways, now set transmission all the way up, put roughness all the way down, and you're going to see this is like a glass. We don't want that. We want like a mirror. So then we want to give this, not glass, glossy. Then, wait. Shift A and spawn in the cube. Boom. It's literally a mirror. And then boom, there's nothing behind it. It's a mirror. Exactly what we need. Delete the light and give it a, over here, click on the wrench tab, go over here, click on modifier, and give it a mirror modifier. Press tab, A, G, and just move it back a bit. Then you're gonna see there's two, which makes it where, well, you get the point. You get the point what I'm trying to say, right? And now, what we're going to do is put Shift A, spawn in a cube, tab, subdivide, and Shift, and select just hold Shift, select top, and select the bottom. SZ, select all the corners by holding Shift. I bet you there's a faster way to do it, but I'm just going to do it the slow way. Then shrink them a little bit. Not too much, a little bit. Then grab all of these sides and chinky. And then we give it a material. And the material, where's that material going to be? Just make it a new one. I don't know. Choose a color. I'm going to choose blue. I like blue. And then value, and set the value a lot. And it's going to be a crystal in the middle, which is in a loop of endlessness. Then we want a cube stretchy out the way of the mirrors. Bring it up, and the mirrors are just gonna keep moving them. Anyways, what we want to do is make a new one. I'm gonna choose this one as red this time. You could just do that by choosing, like, selecting this to 0 or 1,000. And then you want to set up the hue again to 3 half. I'm gonna set it to 100. Then duplicate this on the other side, and actually no, don't duplicate it. Mirror. Give it a mirror modifier. Where is it at? Give it a Y, and then you can spread it apart. And boom. You can see that. Now have this one apply the mirror modifier. We're not applying the mirror modifier yet for the mirrors. And you can see oh, that's really cool. But how do we make it cooler? We just do that, widen it out a little bit. Oh. On this side. Then, new material. We're just making a nice bright yellow. Set up the hue to 100 again, or how you want it. And then boom. I'm gonna put these ones in the middle. You can put them somewhere else if you want. Now you can see these are in the middle. Shift A. Where is it? There we go. Now. Wait, no. Wait. Q. This time, we're just gonna new and metallic, roughness, roughness a little down, just a little. And then this material, not yet. We just want to give it a little bit of a darker gray, which is cool. Then boop. Then well, guess what? Mirror modifier. Bring it back. Bring it back a little bit. Also give it a Y. Not a Z. Where was it at? Oh wait. Duplicate it when it's in the middle, one. And then duplicate it when there's one on the side of it. Make sure you're still in edit mode though. Shrinky. Put it around the gem. Then find cube to shrink it. Go over to the materials, click on that little thing, and give it the newest one, which is the bottom. Should be the bottom. Then you could apply all of these. But first, before joining, apply the thing. Then just join everything. Boom. It's a really cool thing to do. It's fun to do too. I like doing it. It's funny. Not funny, it's fun. It's no, it's not funny at all. Then you just duplicate it and put it around and well, crystal. When I do this, I usually just call it, when I do this, I do it for fun. It's just cool to look at. I call it the crystal complex because there's so many crystal. If you're still in cycles, when you're looking around, your eyes will die. Ow. But if you change into like any other mode, it looks dumb. But then you change it here, bleh, bleh. Then you change it in cycles, it looks really cool, just your eyes die. Because when you look around in cycles by the middle wheel, everything just goes tsh. But anyways, hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like. Wait, no. It's not right. Something doesn't feel right. So that's why we're duplicating it again. So, wait a minute. No. Just select all the stuff again. Just don't select the thing in the middle. The crystal, the cage. I have everything. Okay, right. Control C to undo, by the way, if you don't know that. Now, RX 45. And then you look in again. The way to kill someone's eyes is this. Just stay still when you're doing this. Look around. You can literally see it's crazy. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. My name's JPcrazy. See you next time.